Ayos na. Kalma lang. Mga barangay natin. Mga bata, kalma lang ha. Back to the game now. Coming from for the main event for tonight, Sabado night. The great team of the light group. For the first 2 points coming from Poro. Unang punto siya coming from the great team for the first side, for the first four, for the main event for tonight, Saturday night. Pasok yan coming from Pateo. Kanina sa yellow si Pateo, ngayon si Pateo naman. Second team foul coming from the light blue. The bonus shot is good. The 3-point play complete coming from Officer Jump and Dunk it for tonight. Down to 6 minutes and then now for the first half of the game plan. 16 to 18, 2-point left. Oh, ulit na naman dyan ko. Yung oras sa ano. From the great big ball possession for the light blue. Jetro naman.
Bang.
Wala pa rin coming from Jetro. Now this time RC Ross. Papatan ang pares number 1. We're gonna stay from this. Very good. RC Ross now to Tadeo. Tadeo now this time now. Notice. No. Coming from Darwin Dollars. We're gonna stay now once again now coming from the green. Very good. Agawan Sabara. RC Ross to getting the points. Back to the game coming from the Grays. 8 to 7. 1 point left. Isang puntos lang yan. 8-7 our score. 1 point left now.
Nice one.
Once again, good. Daming Guebanagos. We gonna padalan now this time. Bagyo and Tadeo. Light blue for the whole possession. Galing ka, chin-chin pader. 11 minutes for the game black. Yung mga pamangkin ko, huwag kayong takbo na takbo, mga mabangganang player. Back to the game from the light blue. Ano lang? Blue. The blue and the gray. Asiras! Symbol na matatawag doon ni Reverend Kuya Tanggol.
Hey yo, my good guys, check this out. What the fuck?
Gray. Gray na tol.
Puta 33. Sino yung Trace?
Yan, sa mga nanonood natin, thank you na naman sa mga nanonood diba? Batang Rancho, Batang Pasig Lines. Batang Palengke. Batang Estrada pala. Batang Radyo. Batang San Andres din yan. Ayos na. Sa mga taga-Silais yan. Batang Kanto, Batang San Andres, Batang Onyx. Mga pamangin ko. Kailan Nicole, Yami, Hazelan, Ate Divine. Yan. Sila. Top. Yan. Thank you very much for watching for tonight. Sa mga comedy natin. Mr. Gopingo, Ryan Sobu, Agulya, ang inyong lubot na naman, Chin-Chin Pader, Commissioner Kai Ando Kakanda na kanya, Noel Rubina, Nico Asesan, Kuya Tanggol, bye! Sanibay, symbol coming from the light blue. Ilan ang light blue? There you go.
Bang.
Apat na. Pasok yan, guy from who's that guy?
Who's that guy?
Jetro for the first 2 points, the number 1 of the light blue now getting the points. Asilas! You're good. Turnover now coming from the great team. Unti-unti nang napupuro ang ating Skyda mga kaibigan sa mga manonood natin. Thank you very much for watching and supporting sa maligan ng Batang Skydo. Pasok ulit. Sino yan? Baguio naman ng pinakamalapit na apelyido. Si Baguio.
Baguio. Side.
Malamang nating rating na to. Hindi rin birong kapunan to. And the light blue.
Bang!
Jomari, Dizon, 3.
Toyo, ayun.
Another 2 points now coming. Nagsasagot ang mabilis na puntos ang dalawang kupunan. 7-6 our score.